cool.
Okay.
Your mom.
Excitement's growing in the house tonight. Whatever your mood, you're gonna lose your blues tonight.
What the hell happened to it?
Rats. Nasty?
Could a spider grow in a couple of hours?
The stars in the sky. Shining on the house tonight.
There is noise.
Come on, Stick.
You got a problem with doors?
Now we have to deal with this together.